domestic waste is waste that generated because of the ordinary day-to-day use of a domestic premise, such as food waste, papers, glasses, metals, plastics, textiles, and so on. Malaysia generated about 38,699 tons of solid waste every day, at least 1.17 kg per person.
As a result, over 80% of rivers in major cities in the country can be considered rivers at the previous level, with rubbish, especially plastic, bottle, used tires, and even forming small islands, causing the river water to turn black and emit a foul smell.
Unfortunately, the domestic waste causes the river water to be dark in color, and at the same time the river water also smells. There is no action to treat the river water unless by controlling the pollution in the river.
This innovative product can serve as a water treatment, and at the same time, it can also eliminate the stench of the effects of excessive domestic waste disposal. Activated carbon (AC) is a form of carbon process to have a small, low-volume pores that increase the surface area available for absorption or chemical reaction.
This project using activated carbon obtained from some of domestic materials which were found to have the highest rate of emissions by Malaysians. The three materials are plastic, paper, and styrofoam because it considered as an environment-friendly product as our source for our activated carbon.
Research findings show that activated carbon is a good innovation because it can bring many advantages to humans. The results show proven evidence as to why activated carbon is the best innovation based on the tests that have been carried out using materials such as styrofoam, plastic, and paper.
Activated carbon can indeed purify water, neutralize water, and have a high level of absorption of organic matter, chlorine, fluorine, or radon from water.
First, turbidity tests show that activated carbon from styrofoam is the best material for purifying water because it makes the water clear. Next, it is also the best concentration test because it has successfully changed the concentration of the water to neutral.
Based on the iodine test and the methylene blue test, activated carbon from styrofoam has a high level of absorption because it takes a short time to purify water.
This can prove that activated carbon is an important material to treat water. It can also have a good impact on the community living near the river. Activated carbon can be regenerated, meaning that the spent carbon can be processed, usually in a rotary kiln for use.
Activated carbon are also easily integrated into existing facility in structure. It helps keep the aquatic environment free of contaminants that could harm residents.
All this evidence has concluded that there is no doubt that activated carbon is the best material in the water treatment process. It also has many positive effects that can help those involved in the water treatment process.